On Wednesday, teachers from across the country will descend on the capital city of B.N.T.U as they did earlier this year in March. Back then, the mighty Belize National Teachers Union rallied against crime, and on Wednesday, the union is calling on its entire membership to rally against what they describe as blatant disrespect at the hands of Minister of Education Patrick Faber.
It's looking good. We've heard from all of our 10 branches, and we do have teachers who will be coming out tomorrow in support. We understand based on feedback that we have other groups who might be supporting us as well. So we expect to see, I heard cane farmers will be coming out, we're not sure. We heard a call for stevedores to come out. So we're hoping that that is so. We're excited.
Teachers will assemble in front of the Belize Comprehensive High School before marching to B.N.T.U Civic Center for the day's program. From there, the teachers will gather in front of the National Assembly building near the Ministry of Education, where they will remind the Education Minister why they decided to take this step.
Overarching issue is the matter of our hardship schools, not for our teachers to be getting any additional compensation, because people are saying that we are fighting for more money. That is not so. So it's for us to look at the list of hardship schools and determining how they are categorized. The matter of proposal 22 that the ministry has said is off the table, which we know is not so, and we want that to come. And so the ministry is in essence refusing to meet with the bargaining agent for our teachers, and instead of meeting with us, the officials of the union, they want to be meeting, or they're asking principals and other members to send information to the district managers in terms of these hardship schools. So that's a contention. We feel that that is union busting, as well as comments made by the minister in terms of unions on a whole, that he is threatening the very existence and the purpose of unions in this country. And so we cannot just sit idly by and allow for that to happen, because we know fully well what our unions have done for this country, what union members have done for this country, and how important unions are to our workers. And so added on to that is the matter of the commuting allowance, which the ministry had informed us that anything prior to last school year they would not be paying our teachers whatever they owe them. And then additionally to that, the matter of teachers getting their increments late. Every year we have where teachers apply for these increments. Well, they are appraised and those documents are sent in for them to be given their increments, and they have to be waiting 3-4 months, some of them 5-6 months before they get increments. Some of them are owed increments 3-4 years still. So those are the issues that we are going to be looking at for tomorrow.
The B.N.T.U announced its decision to demonstrate last week, and since then, according to Senator Smith, the teachers have been faced with intimidating tactics.
If you have heard, we have our teachers informing that they were informed, some of them were informed of a monetary workshop for tomorrow, which the ministry will be holding. And so we have some teachers who would be attending those workshops and some who won't. We were also informed by our members that we have police officers visiting schools as we speak, checking with principals to find out what numbers of their teachers would be going to B.N.T.U and what bus companies would be transporting them to B.N.T.U. So even the police is getting involved in something of this nature when they have no business in this. So we can understand why some teachers might want to stay back. And so for those reasons, whatever number of teachers come out, we will be satisfied, because we know that they support our union.
And for the union, numbers do not matter. The objective is for the teachers to do whatever it takes to be heard loud and clear.
We don't depend on what the media or the politicians or the government says to us about numbers. We know our teachers and we know that they will come out. So whatever number of them come out, if it's 1,000, if it's 5,000, we are satisfied with our support. We will ensure that this matter is resolved, and whatever it is that our members tell us that we must do to get it resolved, we will do that.
Reporting for News 5, Hipólito Novello.